So, we got the really sweet NV2. Kasey's.
Yeah, mine.
It's hers. Mine's sweeter. It's a Voyager. But she has the new NV2, and her background is the Jonas Brothers. And we're gonna play all her ringtones, and we're gonna dance to them.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, that was part of the deal, stupid.
Yeah, are you ready? Which one are you going to start with, right? You have to make it really loud.
Actually, it's already loud.
Which one?
I don't know. Here.
Pick one,
Do
right?
the one I like. No. Yeah. No, turn it. That one? Yeah. No. That one. Yeah.
Here's Anna's favorite song.
It's my best favorite song ever. Go.
You're still a loser.
Yeah, okay. Wait, let's see.
I'm trying to find another one.
Yeah. Alright,
I like the 20 I have.
I love this song. Oh my god, it's the best song ever.
No, oh god.
Best song ever. Oh my god. There's, you know what? It's three brothers who are all really hot. Kind of.
That's Kevin.
Oh wait. Oh wait. It doesn't work. Your hair's in a ponytail. It doesn't work. Hair whip. I wonder who's flipping them away. Like, really, who would do that?
Who would do that?
I know.
I don't know.
It's the Jonas Brothers. And if you didn't know that this is Jonas Brothers, you need to watch E more.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This
is the saddest song ever.
Oh, it's really quiet though.
Crap.
It's really quiet.
In case you can't hear, it's a little bit longer. Here, you listen to it close up.
You don't even know. You don't even know. Goodbye. There's no reason why. A little bit longer and I'll be fine. When
I was like, I know this song.
A little bit longer. Yeah.
be fine.
Maybe it doesn't. Stop.
God. Already.
I know. Anna's obsessed with the guy singing this because he's diabetes.
Dang it! It's over! No! It did an awesome guitar go. It goes like...
You can't see your face. It's Kasey. No, you're too close.
Can you see my boobs? Crap.